We will be looking at one of the important function called lookup function. Lookup function is used to check for the data in a given data set, or to provide to take a condition. For example, in this example we are having a condition that for 0% it is F grade, for the 35% it is D grade, 60% C grade, and 80% B grade, and 90% A grade. So this condition is there, and we have to map it on to our result, where the students have earned different kind of score into their exams, and we have to give them grades. But when it is a very small data, 1 or 2 data or something, there it is very easy. But when it comes to a very big data, we have to actually use this kind of function. We look the function called lookup to get the result for this. So this function can also be used in the data analysis and all. So let's see how this lookup function works. For that, type in equal to, then write LOOKUP lookup, then open bracket, then the lookup value. Lookup value for us is right now this numerical value, that is 49%. 49% is my lookup value, and I want to see it into the I want to provide a grade for this. If we check for the VLOOKUP and the other HLOOKUP function, they are mostly the functions are used to find out for the names, for the characters, for the strings. These functions are used. Lookup function is used to create a bracket, like for example 0% to 90%, there is nearly 5 brackets, so that is required to be created a bracket, and then to give the value out of that. So for that, currently I have taken the lookup value as this. Now I want to provide the lookup array, lookup vector. It is a vector thing, so we have to just provide this vector. This is the vector, that my vector is 0% to 90% is my vector. So this vector is applied, and we can actually press F4 so that it becomes a constant. Now then comma, and then for the result vector. Result vector is optional, whether you want to have a result vector or not, it's optional. But for this we will take a result vector, and this is my result vector. Again, this also we will do F4. So this is done. This, the cells are locked, and the cell which we are looking for the value is locked. Now close the bracket, enter. So what you see here, the grade has come as D grade. Means all whatever the value between 35 to 60, all values will be graded as D grade. And if we check for the 75%, it will be C grade. Sorry, 75% it will be C grade, 25% F grade, 77% C grade, 74% C grade. Then A grade is for 99%. 99% comes for the A grade. Means from 90% to 100% it is taking one value. So by this example I wanted to show you how lookup function can be used, and can be used very effectively for taking into a consideration of the ranges. Here, like, ranges are 0 to 35, 35 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 90, and 90 plus. So this is how the lookup function is used, and lookup and it is very important, very useful function in the data analysis, in the most of the data analysis, where we have to set some segregation part, we have to add some segregation part. There we can actually use this function. Hope you find this function useful. See you into the next video. Thank you.